welcome to the second video of the Project Wide Body Prelude vlog. Last video I talked about a little bit about the car and about me, so let's try to get right into this. So I had the flare go down to about here and had the line go through, tried something new. I didn't like it, so I hacked it up and went back to the original line, which was with the bumper line. And well, I'm gonna do a time lapse and I'm gonna work on this now and try to get it finished up for you guys. Hopefully have it looking good. Stay tuned, watch the video, comment if you guys want to comment, like, share, subscribe. I mean, I really appreciate the support. Let's get to it.
Come on! Uh-huh! Yeah! 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 Come on! Put it up one time. Put it up one time. Come on! Put it up one time. Yeah! The drummer's here, that's right, never too far away.
Forget the anger for a moment.
Drummer just came out to play.
Well, hold up, before we get it started, I got to make it clear. If you're not here to party, got to get the f***
Out of here.
Men, grab your girls, handle yours, get it on the floor, bounce to this motherfucker, let it go.
DJ, spin that shit, yo.
We know y'all know we jumping out the down low. You either love us or you hate us. If you hate us, it's because we the greatest and y'all can't stand us, cause we do it better than you. But we gon' do what we do with or without you.
So help me do.
Now let's get back to the topic at hand. Boy, girl, lady, or man, look, here's the plan. Stand up, put your drinks up, it's the jump off. Drama King is back once again, let's set it off. Put it up one time for the DJ. 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 Come on, girl, window with me looking at that out. Now you got the biggest out in the club walking around like,
what's up?
There you go with that stuff with a strut so tough, bullshit. Thinking I'ma think you had enough. How you gonna assume now you're pushing the room back to stop dropping, pushing your tush back? I can see that you got class, and mommy I can't pass. It's the damn out that's giving me whiplash. Smiling at me, eyeing me all happy. You think I want you now, bitch? You want me? You're a sexy bride, you got a sexy bod, I got a sexy rod. So when you say we full legs up, toes pointing at the ceiling, deep so I can hear what you're feeling. Bent over, back, break your back, smack and pump that out. Push mine to the floor's crack. Put it up one time for the DJ. 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 If you got $100 bill, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. If you got a $50 bill, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. If you got a $20 bill, put it up, put it up, put it up, put it up. If you got a $10 bill,
Get the fuck out.
this shit is crazy. Who wanna war with me? Who wanna try to test me and make me angry? Cause I can be the wrong motherfucker to fuck with. You get me? Especially with all that liquor in me. Russian blooded Israeli, feeling kinda tipsy. Been gone for a minute, but I'm back. Did you miss me? Now make some fucking noise and sing the chorus with me. Put it up one time for the DJ. 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 Y'all did to this rap game. Y'all done fucked her like a young dame. Used and abused, left for dead on the side lane. The rap scene now is something like a crack fiend, begging for a helping hand to get her ass clean. The whole game is corrupt, the rap name is a joke. This generation of rappers consists of singing folk. If you ain't ballin' with cash and you ain't ballin' with jewels, you ain't considered successful, which means you lose. You gotta have the big house and big car to make it far. that you are who you say you are. And half the time, who you say you are's a lie. Screaming hard live, but you're scared to die. First to cry. If you ain't got shot, what you rap ain't shit. No. If you ain't dressing hot, sorry, you ain't making it. No. If you ain't signed to a label, you ain't dropping a hit. No. Become an industry bitch, and you'll get all of it. No. Yo, fuck that. I ain't selling out, I ain't letting you control what the fuck it is I rap about. I'ma do me, the rap game needs me like the Jews needed Moses to save them from slavery. I'm the bravery needed to get enough people heated. I write the truth and I read it. Open your eyes and you'll see it. Don't need the fame, you can keep it. Respect my name when you speak it. I eat, sleep, and breathe this rap shit, so I will redeem it, redeem it, redeem it. There's fire in the booth, because he don't do what he's supposed to, and I speak the truth to all of you. There's fire in the booth, he's just a sheep in wolf clothing, hoping you don't catch him self-loathing. There's fire in the booth, there's worldwide entertainment is fictitious, made up of local bitches. There's fire in the booth, because I got proof of the truth. I'ma do for you what you don't do. First off, how the fuck you gon' call yourself the nation when you ain't even been on a local radio station? Ain't nothing original, you ain't even lyrical. Instrumental stealing got you feeling like a criminal. And that fucking hand sign you got bringing out to my blood will get you shot. And Ruby's cherry pop throwing up West Side to represent worldwide entertainment that he runs out of a basement. And I don't know why the fuck you thought it would be any different than what it really is, because it isn't. And now you got me tripping, I'm ripping on that same ass your bitches kissing and picking. Beamer, Benz or Bentley, Beamer, Benz or Bentley, what the fuck does it matter? Chicati can't afford a Chevy. Beamer, Benz or Bentley, no, it's peanut butter jelly. Let's all guess what's in his belly. Is it strawberry or cherry? There's fire in the booth, because he don't do what he's supposed to, and I speak the truth to all of you. There's fire in the booth, he's just a sheep in wolf clothing, hoping you don't catch him self-loathing. There's fire in the booth, there's worldwide entertainment is fictitious, made up of local bitches. There's fire in the booth, because I got proof of the truth. I'ma do for you what you don't do. How you claiming worldwide when you ain't never left the province? Let's all be honest, all this is nonsense. You just subconscious. Your promise of success is so fucking obnoxious. Be cautious, I think I just got obnoxious. I got this, and I ain't never letting go. I'm never gonna lose control. I'm flowing stoop as low as your ass. Gonna let me float this homo just for fun. You know that your torso is double the size of your upper body, and that's just dumb. Go. Drama's in the house, and the way I'm feeling now, you about the size of a mouse. Homie, you ain't a threat, never gonna be a threat. I ain't splitting bread, matter of fact, you should be hitting a salad instead. The only killer this gangsta knows is cholesterol. The only thing is ever hustled for was Tylenol. You make more sense under the influence of alcohol, but you don't drink, so in other words, we're fucked. Shit! There's fire in the booth, because he don't do what he's supposed to, and I speak the truth to all of you. There's fire in the booth, he's just a sheep in wolf clothing, hoping you don't catch him self-loathing. There's fire in the booth, there's worldwide entertainment is fictitious, made up of local bitches. There's fire in the booth, because I got proof of the truth. I'ma do for you what you don't do. Oakville is where you're hiding, North Service Road is where you're residing, and they might think you're real, but I know that you're lying. I'm not buying the bullshit, and that's why I'm going at you. You're as fake of a person as a statue. Tell me what the fuck does that do? But add another lame name to the rap game. You gotta be insane to really think that you and them don't sound the same. You're not a rapper, you're an entertaining actor, a dancer, and as if that's not enough of a disaster, your laughter can deafen a bitch, a weapon of pitch. Unfortunately, something you can use to your advantage. It's your boy! Fuck nah, you a grown man. But on the other hand, if that were Ruby, then I'd understand. Look, here's the bottom line, I hate hearing people lie. You right?
So that was about 3 hours of fidgeting around with it. Like I said, a lot of work goes into this, and it's very tedious. I mean, you obviously notice the difference of what it was before when I started the video and what it is now. I think I'm gonna stop the time lapse right there. I gotta get back to this. I wanna get this done as fast as soon as I can, because after I'm done this, I gotta go to the other side. And that's where it gets really complicated, because you gotta make it symmetric, right? So you gotta make sure that both sides line up and look the same from the front, from top view and all that stuff, right? So that's gonna be fun. Not gonna be fun. There it is. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. I would appreciate the encouragement and support. I'll see you guys next video. Take care. Peace.